Ako alam ko na mangyayari dito, may malalata sa tabi. O, sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Yeah, baby. Cherry red. That's the road. Like a cherry red. No remorse. No regret. I feel what you said. Ooh, I don't leave it. I'll never fight. Sorry, cry.
Isang mapagpalang hapon po, bayan ng San Ildefonso, probinsya ng Bulacan. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? I am one of the Mutyaning San Luis, Pampanga, but has the heart of being San Ildefonso. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Maria Fiona Lavin Isidro Salas,